This is basically a channel because meditation doesn't have to be serious. And I look at all these places and they're so serious. It's just like, oh, meditate. You gotta have all these rules and you gotta be like, there's all these steps. It doesn't have to be like that. Let's just keep it super chill. Let's just enjoy each other's company. Let's just show up here when you have time, when you have space, and let's meditate together. And that's it. That's really just it. Is your life messy and imperfect? Great. Mine is too. So let's just practice this thing together. And along the way, let's enjoy the journey. If you're curious about meditation and you would like to go on an exploration of mindfulness and meditation and the benefits that that can bring, and the community that we can enjoy together, then come on. Let's try this meditation, realizing that we don't have to be perfect and that it might be messy, and that's okay. All right. That's all I got, you guys. So if you are curious, if you're interested, come on over to my page. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. I'm kind of leaning towards my messy meditations. So it might be that. All right. That's it. Cheers, you guys. Bye. Oh, wait.